Okay, to begin, you are going to take your paper plate and you need to cut the center of this out for your dream catcher. So the first thing we're going to do is, well, that's two. Take one, fold it in half, and you are just going to cut a slit into the center. Then do you see this circle that's around the outside? You're going to stick your scissors into that slit. And you are going to cut all the way around, leaving just the outside of your paper plate. Once you have that done, on the bottom of your plate, with a pencil, write your name and class code. Okay? Flip it over. You are now going to use the hole punch to put 7 to 10 holes, not right on the edge of this, but a little bit in. Kind of like that. So mine's going to be 8. I could probably fit 2, but I think I'm just going to go with that. Doesn't have to be perfect. So now you should have something like that. Let me see if I can get that on there. The next step before we decorate anything is the threading part. So you are going to get yarn and you are going to do an arm span, which means you hold the end of the yarn in one hand and roll it out until your arms are spread all the way across and cut that off. I'm now going to thread a bead. Doesn't matter the color because this is going to be on the back. And then you are going to, again, to tie your shoes twice. Okay. Now you're going to take the other end of your yarn and thread it into your needle. Like so. Don't tie this into a knot. There's really no point in doing that. Then you're going to come through the back of your dream catcher. Once you have that bead strung on the back, there is really no rhyme or reason as to how we are going to thread this. You're going to go, just select a hole, go into it, maybe come across the back to another one. Another one here. Maybe to here. I would like for you to get all of these holes at least used once. Once you are done, you need to leave yourself somewhat of a tail here. All you're going to do now is take the needle off and basically you're going to tie this in a knot. Tape this down to the back so that it doesn't poke up. And then you're going to have it hang like this. The last thing that you are going to do today is you're going to decorate the outside of your dream catcher. So some Navajo patterns that you would see a lot would be stair steps, diagonal lines. You would see triangles, diamonds, squares, rectangles. You would not see circles or ovals or spirals or swirls. I'm going to show you a stair step design, which is simply over and up, over and up, over and up, or I like to, for the younger kids, call them L's and backwards L's. So I would continue this all the way around. I'm not going to do the whole thing right now, but then you might add, remember how I said there would be lots of triangles? Zigzag lines. Basically it is patterns on top of patterns. So maybe okay. Something as simple as like rectangles in here. And you're going to make yours a lot nicer than mine. I'm kind of in a hurry and in an awkward position decorating this. I know, excuses, right? But once you have this threaded, the remainder of the class is yours to decorate this. Next class I'm going to show you how to put on the hanging feathers and the beads.